DJI Mini 4 Pro. And now for my top DJI drone of 2024. Claiming the crown, we have the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Weighing a mere 249 grams, DJI packed astounding performance into the iconic compact footprint for which the Mini series has become renowned. It shares the same 1-inch type sensor and f/1.7 aperture as the phenomenal Mavic 3 series, capable of shooting 48-megapixel RAW stills and buttery smooth 4K/60 video. Shooting modes like HDR, hyperlapse, panoramas, and 48MP burst expand your creative options. The redesigned magnetic arms fold neatly while providing quick access battery swaps and propeller attachments. Enhanced transmission extends the crystal-clear 1080p feed range to 12 kilometers when paired with the controller. The 3-axis gimbal has been finely tuned to isolate even high-frequency vibrations, providing stable footage even in windy conditions. Plus, DJI extended the flight time to a remarkable 38 minutes from a single charge. That's longer than much larger drones. While the focus lies on incredible camera performance, the Mini 4 Pro brings a suite of automated flight modes and safety systems, letting you capture complex shots with confidence. It shares the familiar Focus Track suite found in the Air and Mavic series, allowing effortless tracking of subjects while keeping them properly framed in the shot. And the forward, backward, and downward obstacle sensors prevent embarrassing crashes when flying in cramped spaces. Thanks to its uncompromising performance packed neatly into a take-anywhere package, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is my pick for top drone of 2024.